If your dog has suddenly started growling, barking, or snapping, it's natural to wonder, why is my dog acting aggressive? Aggression can be a sign of fear, stress, pain, or confusion, and it's your dog's way of saying something isn't right. Understanding the root cause is the first step toward helping your furry friend feel safe and calm again. Today we'll talk about why your dog might be acting aggressive. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding canine aggression. Aggression in dogs is not just a random act of bad behavior. It's a form of communication. When a dog growls, snaps, or bites, they're often expressing fear, anxiety, or frustration rather than dominance. It's their way of saying, "I'm uncomfortable," or "something's wrong." Understanding this is the first step to addressing the problem. Dogs can become aggressive toward people, other dogs, or even objects, depending on the situation. Before labeling your dog as mean, it's crucial to identify what's triggering the response. With patience, observation, and proper training, most cases of aggression can be managed and even completely resolved. 2. Fear-based aggression. Fear is one of the most common causes of aggression in dogs. When a dog feels threatened or cornered, their natural instinct is to defend themselves. This type of aggression often appears as growling, backing away, or snapping when approached suddenly. Dogs that have been abused, neglected, or poorly socialized are particularly prone to fear-based behavior. Forcing interaction or punishment only intensifies their fear. Instead, create positive associations through gentle exposure, treats, and calm reassurance. Building trust over time helps fearful dogs feel secure and reduces their need to react aggressively when faced with unfamiliar people or environments. 3. Territorial and protective aggression. Dogs are naturally territorial animals, and some take their guarding instincts very seriously. Territorial or protective aggression usually surfaces when a dog perceives an intruder in their home or near their family. Barking, lunging, or snapping at strangers are common signs. While this behavior is rooted in loyalty, it can become problematic if uncontrolled. To manage it, focus on obedience training and controlled introductions. Reward calm behavior when new people visit, and avoid reinforcing barking or aggressive displays. Teaching your dog to remain calm under supervision builds confidence and reduces the instinct to react defensively to every perceived threat. 4. Possessive or resource-guarding aggression. Does your dog growl when you approach their food, toys, or favorite resting spot? That's called resource guarding, and it's another common reason for aggression. In the wild, guarding food or resources was essential for survival. Domesticated dogs may still display this instinct, especially if they fear losing what they value. To manage it, avoid snatching items away abruptly. Instead, use trade techniques. Offer a high-value treat in exchange for the item. Practice drop it and leave it commands to teach cooperation. Over time, your dog learns that sharing or releasing things doesn't mean loss, but reward and trust. 5. Pain and medical-related aggression. Sometimes, aggression is your dog's way of saying, "I'm in pain." Health issues such as arthritis, infections, dental disease, or neurological problems can make even the gentlest dogs lash out unexpectedly. If your dog suddenly starts growling, snapping, or avoiding touch, a vet visit should be your first step. Treating the underlying pain often eliminates the aggression entirely. Never assume it's just behavior. Physical discomfort can drastically change a dog's temperament. A full veterinary exam, including blood work or imaging if necessary, helps rule out medical causes and ensures your dog receives the care they need to feel comfortable again. 6. Frustration or redirected aggression. Frustration-based aggression occurs when a dog is excited or aroused but can't reach what they want, such as another dog, a person, or even a toy. They might bark, pull on a leash, and then suddenly turn that energy toward their handler or nearby object. This is called redirected aggression. It's common in high-energy or easily overstimulated dogs. The key to managing it lies in teaching impulse control through commands like sit, wait, and focus. Regular exercise, mental stimulation, and structured walks help channel energy productively. A calm, confident approach from you helps your dog mirror the same behavior. 7. Social aggression and dominance misunderstandings. Many people believe dogs act aggressively to assert dominance, but true dominance aggression is rare. Most dogs labeled dominant are simply anxious or confused about their role. Social aggression can occur between dogs when boundaries aren't clear or during competition over food, space, or attention. To prevent fights, establish structured routines and avoid forcing dogs to share resources too soon. Training both dogs individually helps maintain order and reduces tension. Remember, calm leadership doesn't mean harsh control. It means setting consistent rules, rewarding good behavior, and ensuring every dog feels secure in the pack hierarchy. 8. Lack of socialization during puppyhood. Early socialization is critical for raising a well-adjusted dog. Puppies that miss exposure to different people, animals, and environments during their first few months may grow into fearful or reactive adults. They may bark or growl at anything unfamiliar simply because they don't know how to handle it. To correct this, start gradual exposure at a comfortable pace, short walks, playdates, and positive encounters with friendly dogs. Use praise and treats to reward calm curiosity. Even adult dogs can learn through patient resocialization. The goal is to replace fear with confidence and curiosity through consistent, positive experiences. 9. Owner behavior and inconsistent training. Dogs are incredibly intuitive and often mirror their owner's emotions. If you're tense, angry, or inconsistent, your dog will sense it and respond with stress or confusion. Inconsistent training, rewarding aggression one moment and punishing it the next, sends mixed signals. Establish clear, consistent boundaries using the same commands, tone, and reactions every time. Stay calm during tense situations. Yelling or physical correction only fuels aggression. Remember, dogs crave structure and leadership. When they trust your calm, confident guidance, they become less reactive and more secure in their environment, leading to better behavior overall. 10. Getting professional help. If your dog's aggression feels beyond your control, it's important to seek professional help. Certified dog trainers and animal behaviorists can assess the triggers, body language, and underlying emotions driving the aggression. They'll design a customized behavior modification plan that includes desensitization, counterconditioning, and obedience exercises. In severe cases, your vet may recommend medication to reduce anxiety and make training more effective. Don't wait until the aggression escalates. Early intervention prevents injuries and builds a safer environment for both your dog and family. With expert guidance and patience, even aggressive dogs can learn to stay calm and trust again. 11. Patience, rehabilitation, and long-term progress. Recovering from aggression isn't an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and consistency. Every small step forward is a victory, even if progress feels slow. Focus on creating a calm, predictable environment for your dog, where they feel safe and understood. Stick to regular routines, continue obedience training, and reward calm, non-aggressive behavior. Avoid exposing your dog to overwhelming situations too quickly. Gradual desensitization works best. Remember, aggression doesn't define your dog. It's a reaction to something deeper. With love, guidance, and persistence, many aggressive dogs transform into loyal, gentle companions. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.